Hello there. Tricky weather conditions out there at the moment, but Tuesday generally is an improving story. It's going to be a case of sunny spells and scattered showers for many, accompanied by some squally winds though still from time to time. So we've seen this massive cloud spilling in off the Atlantic, and the weather front is producing some rain, some of it really quite heavy. It's quite a narrow band of rain, and it is pushing through it driven along by gusts of winds in excess of 60-70 miles an hour. So by around 5-6 o'clock in the morning, the front will be sitting out in the North Sea and leaves a trail of squally showers to follow behind. So there will also be a little more sunshine around for Tuesday. Some of those showers really quite heavy, with hail, with some thunder mixed in there as well, and they are going to push their way in from the west further inland. Now, as we go through the afternoon, we're still going to see some gusty winds, widely 30 to 40 miles an hour, but we could still see gusts in excess of 50 miles an hour down in the southwest. It's going to be a relatively mild story though, because the wind direction coming from the southwesterly, so temperatures are above where they should be for the time of year. We're looking at highs of 11 to 15 degrees. Now the wind direction will change from a southwesterly to a bit more of a westerly as we go into Wednesday. Weather fronts waiting out in the wings, but that means a slightly fresher start to the day first thing on Wednesday morning. Single figures in one or two places, so not as mild as it has been of late. Again, another day of sunny spells and blustery showers to look out for on Wednesday. Showers most frequent perhaps developing in the far northwest as we go through the afternoon. So there should continue to be some spells of sunshine because we've got that westerly flow. Temperatures may be down a notch for some areas, but generally between 10 and 15 degrees. Now, as we move into Thursday and towards the end of the week, we've got an area of high pressure that's going to build and centre itself across Europe, and that will keep these weather fronts out in the far northwest. It still continues to drive in this southwesterly flow, this milder air across the country. So temperatures will continue to be above the average for the time of year, and that high pressure should keep things a little bit quieter and drier.